Everyone, and welcome to Physics 101, Module 2. In this module, we're going to look at the learning goals, what assignments need to be completed, and a summary of all the concepts we're going to cover by the end of the week. In this module, we'll be looking at how to use kinematics with constant acceleration and also in 2D to calculate projectile motion. The concepts we're going to cover in the textbook will be from chapters 2 and chapters 3. You have a lot of assignments to complete this week, including a discussion post, two homework assignments, a quiz, and then two lab assignments. The lab assignments cover topics we're going to complete this week. For the discussion post, please make sure you follow the choices that have been provided for you by checking your last name letter and choosing the right options. They all cover the concepts that we are going to look at. In summary, Chapter 2 and 3 introduce key concepts when it comes to motion and vectors. Chapter 2 focuses mostly on kinematics, which describes how objects move relative to a reference frame. It also covers concepts like displacement, average speed, and velocity, and then talks about instantaneous velocity as well. When we go into chapter 3, we'll be looking at the differences between a vector quantity and a scalar quantity. A vector quantity has both magnitude and direction, and a scalar quantity only has magnitude and no direction. It also covers, chapter 3 also covers how to add vectors using the graphical method or components, and then introduces projectile motion. So when you have an object in a curved path or trajectory under the influence of gravity near the Earth's surface, we refer to that as projectile motion. And that is what Lab 3 is also about. So I hope you find the resources provided in this module useful, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns about any of the topics to cover this week.